Hey everybody, Scotty with Big Rig Chrome Shop. I'm here to give you another product spotlight. Today we're going to talk about heated headlights. I'm in our headlights section of our showroom here at 3735 South Washburn Street, taking a look at some of our heated lighting. Specifically looking at heated headlights. I'm going to talk about some of the other heated lighting options we have as well. But I'm going to start with some of these headlights we have. We have heated options in 4x6 and 5x7 lights, and we have these options in 4 different brands. So I'm going to take a look at some of these brands. So if we take a look at one of our premium lines, we have JW Speaker. JW Speaker is a really high-end lighting options. They were kind of one of the first ones to the heated headlight option game. It's their 8800 Evolution 2 series. Comes in a non-heated and a heated light. But this is the heated light we're looking at. The one I have in my hand here is the black version. They also have a chrome version, and they come in a high and low beam. And the nice thing about these heated lights is they're plug and play. H4 connector, plug right in, you're ready to go. And then what it does, what these heated lights typically do is once the temperature gets below a certain level, it turns on. And some of the headlights have different levels where it'll get hotter if it gets even colder. So it'll really prevent that ice from building up while you're driving, especially you cold weather drivers, obviously. Then we're take a look at the trucks, headlight trucks accessories. Obviously they've been in headlights for a long time. Here's their 4x6 option. They just have that chrome option, but they have it in high and low as well. And Maxima, again, one of the brands that was kind of one of the first ones to heated headlights. They have a 4x6 option. They also have a 5x7 option. They have that in that high and that low beam. This is their ever popular Bionic series headlight in that heated option. And here's the 5x7. I didn't mention this, the JW's 5x7 headlight. Again, Maxima has that as well. So JW and Maxima both have a 5x7 option if you need that for your truck. And last but not least, we have our most economical options. So the options I just went over are all really, really high quality. They all range from that $200 to $225 range, all the way up to $275, I believe that JW Speaker headlight is. But then we have, if you're looking for an economical option, United Pacific just came out with a heated headlight. This is just over $90, so it's under $100, less than half the price of some of the others. Still a really high quality option. This comes in a chrome or a black. Again, this is a heated headlight. If you're looking to test something out for this winter, here's a great option if you're looking for something a little bit more economical. And I mentioned that we have some other options as well. Both JW Speaker and Maxima offer a 6-inch oval light, and they both offer a 4-inch light. JW offers those 4-inch round lights and 6-inch oval lights in amber or red. Maxima has those in just red. So if you want to have more options, maybe on your rear light bars, you want to have those heated light options just to keep that ice off as well for the rear traffic, you can get that in heated as well. So it really, really helps with that ice, getting rid of that ice, especially when it gets really cold weather. We're in Wisconsin. It makes sense for us. Any of you drivers who get up here to Wisconsin, really great option, really economical. We have these options in stock here at Big Rig Chrome Shop. Come on down to 3735 South Washburn Street in Oshkosh, Wisconsin. You can get us online at bigrigchromeshop.com, or you can call us at 920-769-0611. Again, this is another product spotlight taking a look at heated lighting.